Greetings to all Nigerians. Greetings to all youths of Nigeria, both boys and girls. I greet you all. I greet our fathers and mothers who have chosen to join Nigeria Rise Initiative to fight the cause of a better Nigeria. Mama and Papa, I salute you now. Thank you. I want to especially thank the Article Support Group, the articulated people. I greet you all. Thank you for being part of Nigeria Rise Initiative as a partner. I say thank you. I want to thank the movement, Our Mumu Don't Do. I want to thank the founder of that movement, Mr. Charlie Boy. I salute you, sir. You are a father. Thank you for being part of Nigeria Rise Initiative to fight the cause of a better Nigeria. We want to thank every group that has been calling us to be part of us. Every group that have come in union together so that we all can build a better Nigeria. I say to you all, from the depth of my heart, I appreciate. I want to say here to the people of Nigeria, voting at Muhammad Buhari is not a negotiation. Voting at Muhammad Buhari is a call. Voting at Muhammad Buhari is a must. Now, let me tell Nigerian people this truth. Because the hour has come that Nigerian people, we must stop to deceive ourselves. You don't vote a leader because this leader, you love the leader so much. You don't vote a leader because this leader is your brother or sister. You don't vote a leader because this leader has something to do with you or this leader gave you something. That is not how to find a right leader. You vote a leader because they are capable of delivering. You vote a leader because they are very sufficient in serving the people. You vote a leader because they are capable of handling matters of the nation. And not a leader who loves some and don't love some. So, Nigerians, voting at Muhammad Buhari is a must. I will give you some few reasons why Nigerians will need to think. Nigerians, we easily forget truths. We easily forget histories. We easily forget things that before us. Nigerians, we easily forget all these things, but the hour has come for truth. Nigerians, let me tell you the truth. You cannot have a good government when the leader of that country is a lawbreaker. That country can never be good. When the interest of the president goes beyond law breaking, then there is problem in that country. Let me tell us this truth. When Nnamdi Kanu was arrested, my brothers and sisters, the court asked Muhammad Buhari to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. The court released him. Muhammad Buhari said what? No. He breaks law at wish. If Muhammad Buhari breaks law at wish, so he wants the citizens to suffer the laws of the country. No way. A lawbreaker must always produce law-breaking citizens. Dasuki. Where is Dasuki? Many Nigerians don't ask about Dasuki. Dasuki has been released by the court. They have released him several times, but Muhammad Buhari still holds him captive for his own selfish interests. That is not the kind of leader we need. A leader who break law at which. That is nonsense. Nigerians, we must wake up. Now we ask, where is Sasaki? Sasaki has been released by the courts. Not one, not two, not three. The High Court has released him severally, but yet one person said for his own selfish interest, Sasaki must be in the cell against the court order. Nigerians, are we stupid? Is this kind of leader we want? Where will this kind of leadership take us to? Nowhere. Voting out Muhammadu Buhari by Nigeria Rise Initiative is a must. It's a must. We have not come to negotiate. We have not come to ask him if he will change. Muhammadu Buhari will not change. Muhammadu Buhari will not change. The next 4 years of Muhammadu Buhari, if Nigerians feel stupid, we will not survive it. We will not. We have a president who will pay deaf ear to the killings that is happening in Nigeria. He will never say anything about it. He will never say anything about it. People are dying every day in Nigeria. He will never address the nation's problem. They're killing in Plateau State, they're killing in Benue, they're killing in Kaduna, they're killing in Enugu, they're killing in all parts of Nigeria. Muhammadu Buhari will not take time because he is not passionate. We voted Muhammadu Buhari out of the pity that he has tried many times and failed. And the opportunity was given to Muhammadu Buhari, and Muhammadu Buhari failed woefully. Nigerians, the hour has come that we must do something right. The hour has come that we must put things in the right order. The hour has come that we must stop deceiving ourselves. The hour has come that we must tell ourselves the truth. The hour has come that we must call spade a spade. The hour has come that we must take the bull by the horn. Nigeria, if we must have a better country, then let the people of Nigeria join Nigeria Rise Initiative. This initiative has come to prove that power belongs to the masses of Nigeria. Power belongs to the people. We decide the government. The government does not decide us. We decide who rule us, and the government does not decide how to rule us. Enough is enough. Nigerians, let us join together and form a formidable blow that can checkmate the government. We have checkmate Muhammadu Buhari, and we discover that he is a failure. Poor men cannot survive in our country anymore. Even the rich also cry. In this tenor, things went worse. Now, the whole project that they completed, it wasn't a new project. All this project was a project that PDP was running for. PDP was working for them. PDP institutes all those projects. They completed it. They want to take the thank you and take the very much. They don't want to give credit to who credit is due. PDP has been in the front of a better Nigeria. And here they come with all their lies to destabilize the nation. My brothers and sisters, how can a government say they are fighting corruption when corruption is their torchlight? When corruption is their torchlight. They have a plan over this country. Now listen to me, Nigerians. Do not be deceived. This is the truth, and I need to reveal to every one of us. Tinubu promised Muhammadu Buhari to give him 2015 election and 2019. And Muhammadu Buhari promised Tinubu to give him presidency 2023. See how they apply. Now, who is Tinubu? A corrupt leader. A man of no integrity, a man that is full with lies, dishonest people, people who have looted from this country, people who have destabilized laws in every phases of this country. Go and check their histories. You see, these people have kidnapped this country and they have rubbished it in one way or the other. Who is Rochas Okorocha? All of them are lawbreakers. People who appears before you like the angels of light, but in their heart, the devil workshop is more beautiful than their hearts. Let us be careful. Yet, these are the strong cabinets of Muhammad Buhari, and he could not start corruption fighting from his own cabinet. Who is Akpabio? Look at stupid Akpabio, who just left his own office, jumped into APC because he needed the coverage. All the sin of Akpabio was forgiven because he joined APC. Is that the kind of government we are talking about? If Akpabio is an honest man, let him leave APC for one day. If Akpabio leaves APC in the morning, 8 o'clock, by 10 o'clock, Muhammad Buhari will give him a life jail. You know why? They will remember his sin. So for you not to be corrupt, you must be in APC. Your sins are forgiven. Nigerians, let us come to reality and stop deceiving ourselves. Our problem in this country is that we join the government to deceive ourselves. We tell ourselves lies. Why the government, evil government, should continue is because we accepted it. But this moment we say no. Nigeria Rise Initiative is forming alliance with all other associations, bringing people together. We are forming a strong bone that will checkmate the government. Until we start checkmating the government, Nigeria will not come to its best. The hour has come that we must unite as a people. Let us do it right now. Vote out Muhammad Buhari now. Many people are asking why we support Atiku. We support Atiku because of the capability. We support Atiku because of the mindset of leadership. We support Atiku because there is a future inside that leadership. There is no leadership at this moment that Muhammad Buhari cannot rubbish. Muhammad Buhari is ready to kill. Muhammad Buhari is ready to kidnap. Muhammad Buhari is ready to rubbish any government, any political party that rises up. Muhammad Buhari is ready to rubbish them. But at least, by the grace of God, we see integrity and power in PDP at this moment. Because 45 political parties has come together. 45. Out of 92, 45 has come together to say Atiku continue. 45 political parties. That is a pass mark. It is a pass mark, my brother. 45 has come together to say Atiku continue. And the people of Nigeria, I believe 70% has come together to say continue. We are giving Atiku all support from the depth of our hearts because we need a U-turn of this government. We need a change of this government. Now, Muhammad Buhari has taken us through all the pains and suffer. We have cried. We have suffered. We have gone through all frustrations. And Muhammad Buhari come back to tell us the next level. What is the next level? After suffer, death. That is the next level. After suffer, you go to death. That is the next level. We must be careful. Let us turn back and run away from this next level of Muhammad Buhari. They have no next level than to kill people. Nigerians, let us wake up. Please, do it wisely. Vote at Muhammad Buhari. Vote Atiku. Vote Peter Obi. Vote PDP. For God's sake, let us save this country together so that we can have a place we can call home. We can have a place, a country we can call our country. We can have a country that we can say we all built together. Let us unite together and do things right. And God will bless every one of us. Thank you for being part of Nigeria Rise Initiative. Don't forget, my name is Sir Weston Henry Chukwudi, the president of Nigeria Rise Initiative Worldwide. We are making a global impact all over the world. Global impact. Join us today because it is time for us to write an history and you are needed. You are very important. Join us, my brother. One word from you can save this country. So join us with this number once again. Plus 601 135 483 733. Again, plus 601 135 483 733. Join us on our platform of WhatsApp. And if you have not joined us on our YouTube to follow us up, Click on the subscribe button right now and click the bell at the side so that you can get our messages every day. God bless you for being part of Nigeria Rise Initiative. Hundreds of people are coming together, and we believe the way people are responding, we believe we are seeing a new Nigeria already. God bless us all as we survive together to build a country that our children can see and know that we are faithful fathers. Join together to unite all Nigerians. Stop every message of hatred. Stop every message of violence. Let us preach the message of love. We can make it again. God bless us all as we look forward for a better Nigeria. A Nigeria we can be proud of. I love you all.